Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look at XRP here. This is awesome. We are breaking this descending trend line, a very large descending trend line, mind you, and it's continued to push well past that 50-cent mark, which has been a notorious support and resistance level. So we're going to talk about that. We got the macro fibs pulled up here as well, just to kind of get perspective on big picture, because that's generally what we want to look at, and just kind of see where we're at in the overall sense. So if you could please hit the like button, comment below, deeply appreciate that. And why don't we go ahead and take a quick look at some back-end data here as well, and kind of get started with that. I do appreciate it, again, all my long-term and more recent subscribers really deeply appreciate the wonderful feedback I've been getting lately. Quick little heads up, if you're in our community, bringing some really awesome features here very, very soon. Some really awesome things to kind of help get you more relevant data, such as live charts and quite a few other considerations too. More to come. Anyways, take a look here at XRP. We can see 49 cents, upwards of 54 cents, all swept. Every possible liquidation level in the last month is gone, okay? This does imply that the price action for XRP should pull back soon, just because there's no resistance left, right? Generally speaking, that's what the whales do. They push the price action up there as high as they can, and then once the price action has no more resistance, they can sell all they want and take tons of profit, okay? It's a very, very common occurrence. So take a look here at the 7 days. We can see here, there are a couple of late shorts at 54 cents, but really at this point, majority of all the opposition has been swept. And again, there's a lot of liquidation down as low as 42 cents. Distinct probability we won't see 42 cents immediately or at all, just based on the way that this has responded, how well the volume has increased, and just contrary to Bitcoin, how well XRP is doing, okay? Again, there's potentially some fundamental catalysts going on here. This is generally what this looks like when there are fundamentals, but we're gonna speak specifically about the TA here and see what the data looks like. So we're still below the 200-day SMA. Keep in mind, until we break above that, we don't have a free reign to do what we want. But we do want to recognize here that there's a heavy accumulation of volume at 52 cents. In fact, we zoom out, of course, we'll probably see that change a little bit. But generally speaking, that 52 cent range is a pretty heavy accumulation of volume, okay? Or 51.7, just round number 52 cents. It's that 0.382 fib level, so the price does pull back. 52 cents seems like a logical place for the price to pivot and bounce. Okay, now we'll take a look here at the daily stochastic RSI. It's getting pretty well maxed out, getting closer to the top. RSI is hitting closer to 70 and money flow index is increasing. Again, with volume to follow, those things don't matter too much, but generally speaking, 70 at the RSI is generally a resistance range. We can also see here MACDs converging, so generally speaking, a very, very positive situation here. And again, 52 cents is likely the new support if we can close above that here today. 4-hour time frame, we're over every potential indication of the bullish trend here, basically implying that you do not want to short into this because it's so strong that you're going to get destroyed. That's exactly what these people thought too, right? Consistently shorting, consistently getting destroyed. So at this point, even though the price action is more likely to pull back, you're better off waiting for a long position than you are to take a short to that level. I know it seems crazy and weird, and if you're like the addictive gambling type of person that cannot stay out of the market, then maybe it's a different story for you, okay? I prefer to wait for better time frames to trade and to kind of go with the flow. Right now, the flow is up in a general sense here based on altcoins this weekend, and just generally Bitcoin being above 58,500. Okay, so 58.5, where it's at 58.6 right now. While it's not monumental, Bitcoin dominance is still dropping. A lot of reasons why XRP should maintain its current price point. If it does pull back again, I think 52 cents or higher would be a good solid consideration for us. Okay, as far as the long is concerned. Just kind of throwing out the idea out there. Either way, general best practice is to not take profits on your current long position until RSI at 70 is retested. We're well above that right now. So there's absolutely no reason to short this coin. I know it seems crazy. And again, to those addictive personalities that have to short everything, go ahead and do it. Let me know how it works out. Again, generally speaking, not trying to be pessimistic here. It's just you're going against the grain. That's all there is to it. Hourly time frame. Let's quickly note a couple of things here. Everything's solid, green lights, good to go. No reason to short, because again, we have the lagging span free and clear conversion line above the baseline, and the cloud itself is approaching that 52 cent mark. We look at today's TPO. This is a time price opportunity. Tells us we have a lot of control here. The point of control for today is 51.3 cents. That's a strong level, basically just implying that we have a solid consideration for the bulls being in control, and the price action being above that level implies we don't short into it. Okay, we lose that level, different story altogether. We can consider shorting because that would imply that the bears are gaining control in that time parameter, and at this point, we're not there yet. Okay, again, nothing is telling us the price should go down. Everything is telling us the price should continue higher. If it does continue higher, keep in mind the next fib level is about 56.3. So that's a potential next area of retracement. We can see multiple times in the past here, the price action has had trouble getting past that range. So 55 to 56 is the next essential resistance range. I'll post this playout chart here on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Be sure to check us out over at BitUnix. We have an awesome exchange there, partnership with them. Link down below for that, and you get some excellent rewards too. But more important, again, join us with our social media here and help grow the community, be part of something bigger. Really appreciate it. Nonetheless, hope you have a good rest day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.